melts fast.
It melts fast, yes. Because the white wine, when it's warm, it helps them to get it to. Yeah. But it's important not to heat up too strong, so it doesn't get fixed to the pan. Because if it burns, it can burn later on while we're doing it, but not before.
Oh, you're learning from the master class?
I am.
Can you even get the right cheese at home?
Stay
Cheese
concentrated.
fondue in Switzerland.
Cheese fondue in Switzerland.
Yes.
That sounds like a dream come true.
It absolutely is. You gotta do your figure 8.
You've been in there a long time.
I have.